Alright, so I gotta vacuum pack this stuff because I got 10 of them and this is a lot of crab. And you get kind of sick of it after a while. So what I'm gonna do is I kept it on ice the whole way, and it's been 2 days already from San Francisco, or Half Moon Bay. So I've been playing around with this and vacuum packing and losing seals and all that, because first of all, if you see here, you got to get a good pair of poultry shears, and you got to just trim these thorns off because it'll puncture the bag. So save you guys some problems, some troubles. Just show you how to do that. See, it's a little bit better. And then there's a thorn right there. Make sure you get every one. And there's a couple right here. So I lost like 2 bags. And then you don't need this thing. It's a male. Get rid of that. And there's a little spike right there. And you get rid of any of the mess that you left, didn't clean. So make sure, get those thorns off. Yeah, I don't know if you need these, but you know, just got them. Like that. Alright, then come over here. I already did to this one. But don't forget these little thorns here. So I forgot them one time and lost a bag. And these bags are not cheap. So just cut up the old ones that I lost the seal on. And I'm going to make a little shield. Or you can use a paper towel. Whatever works. But since I already wasted these bags. And make sure that his claws are covered up. Come over here to my vacuum sealer. And this is a terrible machine. This is like the 3rd machine I've had, so I use these. And if Food Saver's watching this, you guys messed up with this design. See, I'll show you in a second. You push it on moist, and then to seal it, you push this stuff, and you really just gotta hold it down. Because look, if you just leave it, it's not gonna do anything. It's just gonna waste time. Just gotta hold it down. And then finally, seal. And then pray that it'll work. Still not sealing. There, finally. Oh, come on. Let's get your exercise. Food Saver, fix this thing. Come on, you pay enough for the machine. Oh. And there you have it. I already did these. I figure I'll show you how to do it. Good luck. Get some fishing.